an equation I don't know the answer to, sine x equals 0.8. I can graph y equals sine x and y equals 0.8. So I graph both sides, y equals both sides, and find their points of intersection. Y equals sine x is already graphed for you. That's good. So what do I still need to graph? Y equals 0.8. That's the equation. So let's do that. And graph it. So girls, can you see a whole lot of points of intersection? We should also note that x is between 0 and 15, so I only want to go up to 15. Where's a point of intersection? There's one, there's another one, there's another one, there's another one, there's another one, and there's another one. Oh gosh, there are 6 solutions. Go down from this point, where would you say that is? Maybe 0.9 or even maybe 1 according to yours. I'm happy for you to write either of those. And girls, what are we saying equals this 0.9? X, good. So remember, this equation here is only in terms of x. Therefore, my solution is going to be x equals something, right? So my first solution we're saying is x equals 0.9, comma, because I've got more coming. What do you think this one refers to approximately? According to mine, I might put 2.2. But if yours is more like 2.1, feel free. So what do you think the next one's going to be? 7.1? Around 8.5, I think. Looks around 13.5. About 14.8-ish. So they're all the solutions for sine x equals 0.8. Now, out of curiosity, girls, could someone on their calculator do inverse sine of 0.8? Because that's how we usually find x. If sine x equals 0.8, you would say x is inverse sine of 0.8. And what is that? I'm curious. What do you get? Oh, can you change it to radians, please? Does that make sense that we're in radians? How do you think? Look at the x-axis. Yeah, I think we're in radians. Because otherwise we'd have 90 and 180 and all that stuff. Okay, girls, look at that. Using a calculator, we only got something very similar to our first estimate. Do you see that? But that's the limit of the calculator. It only gives that first one. So we have to find other methods to find the rest of our possibilities. But it's nice to see that we estimated that first one correctly. Question 2. Use the graph below to estimate, and I like the word estimate because we can't be that specific. We can't do it to 5 decimal places. The solutions of cos x equals negative 0.4. Ooh, for x is between 0 and 10. So girls, I actually don't care what happens past 10. Don't care. I'm going to stop there. So girls, can you take a moment, look at the graph and tell me what you still need to do? I need to graph y equals negative 0.4. I think it's about there. Now, I drew it all the way along, but I've got to remember I'm stopping at that red line. I don't care about anything more than that. All right. I don't know, 2, 1.9, I'm not sure. Somewhere there. Why did I stop there? Exactly, x can't be bigger than 10. This is our domain here. Excellent. Now, use the graph below to estimate the solutions of tan x equals 2. Y equals tan x is already graphed, so I need to graph y equals 2, and I only care for 0 to 8. I think it's about there, but you do yours, and let's see how ours compares. Okay, I'm going to estimate the following. If you're a bit off, but I can see on your graph your strategy, how you did it, that's going to make me give you like more marks than if I couldn't see it.